So I just found out actually the place I was going isn't where we buy the tickets. Okay, so right here is where you buy your tickets. You need to scan this QR code to buy the tickets. I think also at the ticket office downstairs you can also buy, you can also pay, but there's a QR code here, and also there's another one right here. Basically you can use your Alipay or WeChat, but anyone who has Alipay or WeChat can actually help you pay, so don't worry about that. There's so many places around this small place that have the QR codes. Yeah, if you want you can buy like 3 tickets all together for other people you're coming with. So basically this is the place and this is the glass bridge, and the moment you get in you have to get the shoe covers so that you can actually walk on the glass platform. But bro, this seems scary, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so let me put on my stuff, my shoe covers, and then yeah, and let's go. Yo, this looks cracked. What happened? Uh-oh. Right, this seems cool, right? All right, so our shoes are now covered and we're just gonna get on right now. So we're taking our first step on the glass bridge. Let's go. Yo, it's really see-through. It's really see-through, man. My God.
Hello.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, I don't want to see now because I'm scared. Oh my God.
See my eyes.
Oh my God, now I can...
Go.
Oh my God. Ah, this, this is so scary. Jeez.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Ah, man. No, I'm making a YouTube video. Yeah.
Snack?
Yeah?
Snack?
What is... like YouTube video, like YouTube. Oh my God. Ah. Wow. The secret is not to look down. The secret is to not look down, guys. That's basically the entrance. And this, you can see we're just looking down the mountain. This is a very steep mountain, okay? Look at my legs right here. Guys, this is really scary. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, bro. And this is what's holding the bridge. It's basically like a suspended bridge, okay? And you can look, it's 2 glasses held together. I don't know what's in here, but yeah, basically 2 glasses held together, and that's how thick it is. Oh my God, guys. I can't even, like, sometimes it's like, okay, now it's cool, right? Like, you know, like you're no longer feeling nervous. But when you look down, you can't even just walk normally, bro. Crazy, man, crazy. Let me just walk around the 3rd time. My God, my God. Oh my goodness. This is nuts. This is nuts, man. I can't wait to just walk around the last time. And the thing is, when you're walking, right, you can feel the bridge has a little bit like, you know, because it's a suspended bridge, so, you know, and the wind, too much wind, bro. Oh my goodness Christ, this is scary. This is really scary. The main idea, right, is to not look. Don't look down, because when you look down, that's when you start fearing. Right there, you can see, like, they look like aliens. Okay, as much as we don't know how aliens look, but that's why they call it the UFO viewing platform. Yeah, right there. Okay, guys, let's keep walking. Okay. Oh my God, my God, my God. Look here. My goodness Christ. Yeah, this is Okay. Wow. It's so deep inside, like so deep. I don't know it's like a metal is hitting on something else and it's making like a bell noise, but my God, thank God I'm done walking here now. Finally, finally I'm done. Finally. Imagine being happy to finish a tour, man. Finally, guys, I'm done. Oh my God. Whew. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. Wow. Wow. So we are done with our trip, basically. I'm going back down. Very happy I'm going back down, actually. This is exactly where we are here, and we're just gonna take the stairs going back down. That's gonna take me like maybe 40 or 50 minutes. I think going down isn't that tiresome, okay? But I can't go back the long route again. But guys, all in all, I just put a biscuit. I got it from the vending machine there. You can use your WeChat or Alipay to buy some stuff. This was a really nice trip. Best advice I could give you, right? If you're coming from Beijing, if you're with your friends, guys, just use, I'm gonna put not a link actually, I'm just gonna put a picture of an app that you can use, and this app is very cheap. It's way cheaper, like the prices are half of what you could pay using like Didi or the Alipay or Meituan cars. So you can use that with your friends and just divide the price. Today I came alone, so I had to pay like, in total it was around 130 RMB or like 125, somewhere there. But if you're with your friends, you can share the price, guys. You don't need to take the public transport because it will take you like 4 hours. 4 hours, basically. I'm not even joking. 4 hours to get here. Yeah. And wow, guys, this is a really cool experience, and I hope some of you will actually come here someday and, you know, experience this too. There's a drum here. I don't know what. Okay, I don't know who uses this drum, but it's just there. And look at this, guys. It's very steep. I'm still going down. I just arrived at the station for the cable cars, and we're going down there. That's where we're going. But maybe I still have about 30 minutes to get there. It's pretty steep here, guys. It's pretty steep, like, right? You can see the cable cars. But yeah, wow, this has been a really good trip. Oh my God. And again, okay, just to remind you guys, if you're feeling dizzy, if you're feeling a little bit like tired, you can sit down and take a rest. Okay, nothing should really rush you. And the best thing is to come maybe during the day, like early morning time, maybe around like 9-10 a.m. is good if you arrive here pretty early, so you have enough time to, you know, take your time to walk, and you don't have to stress, because yeah, coming back early means you can go back to Beijing, like the downtown, also early. Because the thing is, around like 4 p.m 5 p.m there is traffic jam. Around 5 p.m is a rush hour, 6 p.m 7 p.m is a rush hour. So bro, it will take you like a good 2 hours to get somewhere where it would only take you around like 30 minutes. So always put that in consideration. That's a small like amusement park, so we're basically arriving at the base. Whoa, that was a really nice and crazy journey. Look at how this place ascends. Really crazy. And right there is where we're from. Okay, that right there is the glass bridge. That was a really nice trip. So, oh my God, this is shaking. Almost got scared. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for sticking around. I think I've already given you guys all the details that I know and you can also use. Yeah, you're welcome to visit this place any time, basically. And yeah, you know, whatever I've not showed you guys, you will see it yourselves. Okay, that's the good part about traveling. Everyone has their own perspective and they kind of experience different things. Okay, I can't show you guys everything, but so let me show you guys the last thing. Right here, there's an intersection you have to see. Right, that right there is the entrance. Okay, that's the entrance right there. So when you come from the entrance going up, there's a small intersection, right? There's a red post here, and this right here is like a direction post, okay, that shows you where to go. Now, when I came, I took this route. This route is the really long route that took me like 2 hours to get to the glass bridge, right? You guys can see the glass bridge is up there. Now, this is the other road when you pass by this red signpost, right? This one is the short one, but it really ascends, like it's very steep. So this can take you maybe around 40 minutes, this 2 hours. But I could really recommend you guys to always use this route first. Then when you get to the glass bridge up there, that's when you can use this route to come back down. Arrived here in the morning around 11. Now around maybe like 10, maybe like 10:40, somewhere there. Now I'm reaching the base, okay, the entrance, the ticket office at 4 p.m. 5 hours. I did not stop anywhere. I just kept going. 5 hours, guys. Yo, that's crazy. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video, and like, subscribe, share, okay? And you can also check the description for more details about things maybe you didn't understand in the video. Ciao, and see you in the next videos.